Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I have got another surprise package. Yes, another open on camera package, which are the coolest because I wasn't expecting this. I had no idea. I'm not even sure who sent it yet. I know it says Mike on the label, and so I'm assuming Mike, and I'm sure I'll find out about it more about it. What took me off guard is Heather went and picked it up from the post office today, and she says your package is in the car. And I reached in to grab it with one hand because model boxes are usually light, and this thing is heavy and solid. So I'm thinking there must be something in here besides like a model car. I don't have a clue what's in here, but this will help us find out. Yes, I've gotten really used to using this thing to find out what's inside boxes. And here we go. So I am as excited. I'm as excited as you guys are. You're probably thinking, why are we excited, Matthew? It's not our package. Well, you know what I mean. You get to see it at the same time I do, okay? Anticipate. The anticipation is great. Because like I say, I don't know what's in here. It could be packed full of clothes or socks or rocks. But they have it packed really good if it's rocks, because I didn't hear any rocks shaking around. So, what we got? Oh, got a, oh man. I think okay, be right back. I gotta go get them. This is for all of us. Stand by. Okay, there's Ruthie. Her mom couldn't come out here right now, so I went and got Ruthie. So now we're going to open this up. Okay, so we'll just scratch out Heather's name, Ruthie, and we'll just say to Matthew and Ruthie, thanks for everything you do for us. P.S. The mags are for you, Ruthie. Bookmarked for, I bookmarked for Ruthie. Okay. Alrighty. First, this is just a piece of paper. Okay, here we go. Okie dokie. What's in here? I do see model kits. I didn't think there were any in here because they were so tightly packed. Okay. There are at least 4. Okie dokie. Okay, I might have to take these out of the bag and we'll put them, we'll get this stuff out and we'll move the box. Stand by. Okay. To my surprise, there's 4 model kits here. Can't believe that because I never would have thought there were any. But the reason it was so heavy, it's not rocks. It's a stack of, here's car modeler, there's scale autos, and they're old scale autos. There's a 99, 96, year I graduated, 2000, car modeler, 1994, 98. This is cool because I like looking at the older stuff. Like before they had the 3D printing and things like that, to see what they could do back then. For instance, car modeler, 1997. Like that engine right there. That's cool. That's where I want to get. I want to get there. To that that level of building. Let's go auto 99. Where's the year? Here's am I just blind or do I not see the year?
It's right there.
Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, it was too big. 1999. Scale Auto 2000. There's I think that's a cord right there. That's probably that monogram kit. Oh, check it out. Check it out. Okay, so if you guys watch Doug White, oh, there it is right there. Doug White, the Model Car Muse. Go check out his channel. He's mentioned me on his, I feel famous because Doug White's mentioned my name before in my channel. But this is the build he built. He has featured this on one of his videos. And that is the coolest thing ever. And he got the details are so intricate that he has even like photo etch the serial number or something on that flathead. It is an amazing build. Go check out Doug White, the Model Car Muse. Go check his channel out. Actually, I'll put Doug's link to his channel in the description here, and I can't wait to see this. He was a great contributor to Scale Auto magazine. This ain't focusing right. There we go. And one more, oh, 2 more. Another car modeler, 1998. What year was this? 98. 98, 98. And a Corvair and a March of 2000. Look at their Scale Auto sprint car. All right, so let's thank you so much, Mike, for these magazines. This is too cool. All right, so model cars here that he sent. So apparently he knows I like Volkswagen Beetles, because he also put the names of who these are for. Here is some kind of quick build Airfix. These are, I was watching recently, I watched a video on Airfix, and it was the factory, and I saw a guy, it was an airplane kit that they were, no, it was a car kit they were doing. He was packing one of the orders, and it was just like kind of like Lego blocks. So I'll actually definitely do this and put this together. That'll be quick. It'll be a really quick build. Ha ha ha. Get it? Quick build. Anyway, I'll do that soon on camera. Here's one. I'll let you do it, Ruthie. Let Ruthie talk about this.
Talk about it.
Talk about it. Talk about it. There's says Ruthie right there. What is this, Ruthie? Have any idea what kind of car this is? Truck.
Truck. Yeah. Is it a Ford? I don't know.
There's the year in the name right there.
Okay. It's a 40s Willys.
1940 Willys pickup truck. It's a Willys. Willys was a brand of cars. They don't make them anymore. But that's what that was. It was a Willys pickup truck.
Coca-Cola.
And this is a drag truck, kind of like a gasser truck. Coca-Cola. And Mike bought this one for Ruthie.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mike. Very thoughtful of you. I might have to snag this one from her and build it myself. But anyway, yeah, that's pretty cool, Ruthie.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mike, for that. And he also remembered, again, that I like VWs, and he bought me this. How cool is that? 68 Volkswagen Beetle. I'm a Beetle fanatic, and
He's supposed to fix his Beetles up. That's outside for me. He's told me that, but I don't think
every one of my kids so far, I've like told them, yeah, we'll get that Volkswagen fixed up for you.
I pretty much know it's not going to happen anymore. So my little sister Ellie's like, that's going to be my car.
So outside. So anyway, I don't want to get away from this, but anyway, this is a 68 Volkswagen Beetle. Pretty much this body style here is the body style that the standard Beetle continued on until its demise in 2006 down in Mexico. So they continued to build the standard Beetle. They had, the Super Beetle has a round front windshield, except for the 70 or 71. There was a flat nose Super Beetle. It was the ugliest Volkswagen ever made. I'm sorry if that offends anybody that's got a 70, but it just was. It had a longer nose. The standard Beetle to me is the best looking. Some people like the Super Beetle with the curved windshield, but anyway, this is the most common body style Beetle that you would ever find is from 68, because 67 they were a little different. So 68 up, coolest thing ever. And this was a transition year of the Volkswagen Beetle. I won't get into the Volkswagen history, but I do love them. And outside the doors of my shop, I have a 1970 and a 1972. And just below our feet right here, listen, if you listen, that's a Volkswagen engine right there. And if I could reach far enough, I'd kick the other one. You could hear it too. I've got two VW Beetle engines nicely nestled in my model room just to keep them out of the moisture and elements. And they will go back in there one day. But anyway, okay. Thank you, Mike, for the Volkswagen. The two Volkswagens. And lastly, and I'll do this for her in her stead, because I can tell Mike watches the videos and can tell that Heather has an eye for unique vehicles. And this is definitely one. It's that vintage police car, which is a model, this is a Model T, I believe. Or is this a Model A? It's 27 model, yes, a Model T. And it's the police car. I actually have the original release of this over on the shelf. And this is too cool to get a repop from round 2. And I will definitely show this to Miss Heather and let her open it up. And we may one day get to see her build this. That would be really cool. And he also threw in 2 cans of Tester's Color Shift paint, which is that paint where you paint it and it looks green or it looks purple. 2 cans of that right there. So thank you. So this is Blue Galaxy and this is Emerald Turquoise. So the Color Shift paint by Testers. But anyway, thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you, Mike, for this wonderful gift that you've sent to all of us. I wish my little Ellie would get jealous and want to come out here and do some models so she could take part in this fun thing that the community does for us, but she ain't got nothing to do with it. Not one thing. She says, is there going to be a camera? No. So thanks for the Scale Auto magazines and the other model car magazines that are here. That's enough reading for a good week if you sat down and just read through those. A great collection of magazines. Thanks for the Volkswagens. I really, after seeing this, I can't wait to pop this open and do a video of building this thing. Maybe it'd be really simplistic, and that's okay. So I'm going to do that, and we'll check that out. This will be a build. I know my friend Frankie Frizzo, he's building this one right now, and he's two-toning it. It's going to look awesome. You guys go over to Frizzo's Model Cars. I will also link Frizzo in the description of the video, so you can go over there and check out what he's doing with his Volkswagen. But anyway, so one more time. Let's see if I can do it. Thank you, Mike. I appreciate it. I don't have a clue if it's
working. Yeah.
Thank you, Mike. I really appreciate you, buddy, for your gracious gift. This was too awesome. And Ruthie.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all that the community does for me and my family. You do way more than I do for you, so I have a huge thank you for everything that's done for us, and just for supporting us by watching this channel is great. And if you hadn't subscribed, please hit the subscription button, like the video, and if you didn't like the video, again, give it a big thumbs down, because at least you watched it, and that's what counts. But anyway, guys, I really appreciate your support. Check out Hobby Nut Models, where you could pick up one of these various kits. Probably, if you go over there right now, he's probably got one of these over there at Hobby Nut Models. Go check out his inventory of model kits, paints. Don't forget to go check out Miss Ruthie's channel, Simply Ruth. She just broke 700 subscribers today, and that is great. So go check her channel out. It's always in the description of my videos, as well as the Facebook group, the Teespring store, and the Patreon page. If you want to have your name on that scroll at the beginning of the videos where it has the music, the cool music playing and the name showing, go over there and join Patreon, and I'll place your name on that scroll, and you can be a part of my video. But anyway, all right, we're out of here. Say bye. And I'll say bye. Bye. See you guys later. Bye.